A terrorist attack in Jammu and Kashmir was reported on Saturday amidst the ongoing visit of Union Home Minister Amit Shah to the Union Territory. Two policemen and a soldier have been injured in the gun battle between security forces and terrorists in Jammu and Kashmir's Poonch district. A jailed terrorist from Pakistan-occupied Kashmir, who was remanded in police custody and was brought to the encounter site to identify possible routes the terrorists used, was also injured in the firing. The injured terrorist could not be evacuated due to heavy firing, officials said. The fresh gun battle in Poonch, where the anti-terror operation entered its 14th day on Sunday, started after terrorists opened fire on a joint search operation of the army and police inside a forest in Poonch district Sunday morning, officials said. According to police, they were approaching a terrorist hideout in Bata Durian area when they were fired upon by the terrorists hiding there. Police said the terrorist Zia Mustafa couldn't be extracted due to heavy firing. Zia was lodged in Kot Balwal jail for several years and taken on 10 days remand by police on Friday. A resident of Pakistan-occupied Kashmir, Zia had infiltrated 5 years ago and was subsequently lodged at Jammu's Kot Balwal jail. There were reports that he may have been in touch with terrorists from jail. Zia was taken to Mendhar in Poonch apparently to identify the route terrorists involved in Poonch encounter may have used. The army has been engaged in one of the longest and hardest anti-terrorist operations in the area for the last 14 days. 9 soldiers, including 2 officers, have died in the line of duty so far. The anti-terror operation in the forest areas in the twin border districts began on October 11th when terrorists ambushed a search party, killing 5 soldiers, including a junior commissioned officer in Poonch, before another gunfight in nearby Tanamandi on the same day. On October 14th, the terrorists struck again and killed 4 soldiers, including a JCO in Narkas forest in Mendhar, as the security forces searched the area to neutralize the hiding terrorists. Drones and helicopters were pressed into service to assist the marching troops, which included para-commandos, in the jungle area at a distance of over 20 kilometers from the line of control, the officials said. Meanwhile, police have detained 10 persons, including 2 women, for questioning after it came to light that they allegedly provided logistic support, including food and shelter, to the terrorists, the officials added. News Desk, Kaumudi Global.